Ekaba story, Yoruba Kids Adventure. Today we're learning body parts in Yoruba. Let's go. I said G-O. Touch your head. In Yoruba, head is called Ori. Say it with me. Ori. Shoulder is Ejika. Ejika. Now, touch your nose. That is Imu. Your ears are called Eti. Eti. And your eyes are called Oju. Oju. Stomach is Inu. When you touch your legs, we call this Ese. Ese. Your knees are Orukun. And hands, Owa. Again, Owa. Let's keep going. Your mouth is Enu, Enu, Enu. Hair is Imu. Teeth are Eyi, Eyi. And back is Eyi. Let's play a game. So, I'm going to say a part of the body in Yoruba, and you will have to touch it. Okay, the first word is Ori. Ori. The second word is Ese. Ese. The last word is Owa. Owa. Wonderful. Now you know your body parts in Yoruba. Tell me in the comments if you got them all correct. See you soon.